Ever wondered how AI videos are created? It's a fascinating process that involves a blend of creativity, technology, and lots of data. Today, we're diving into this world to unveil the magic behind AI videos. Imagine a blank canvas. This is where everything begins. The first step is to conceptualize. Defining the purpose and concept for the AI video project is of utmost importance. It sets the stage for what's to come, whether it's a short film, an explainer video, or something wildly futuristic. Next, we enter the data gathering phase. Here, we collect or generate data suitable for training the AI model. The data could range from images and videos to texts and sounds, depending on the project's requirement. Once the data is in hand, it's time to choose the right tools. The third step involves the selection of a deep learning framework. Two of the most popular choices are TensorFlow and PyTorch, which provide the necessary tools and libraries for building and training AI models. After the framework is selected, the gathered data needs to be prepared and pre-processed for training. This step, known as data pre-processing, includes tasks like data cleaning, normalization, and augmentation. Now, the actual training begins. In the model training phase, the AI model learns from the pre-processed data. It's like teaching a child how to paint, but instead, we're teaching an AI model how to create videos. Once the initial training is complete, the model isn't perfect yet. It needs to be refined and optimized for better performance. This fine-tuning phase is like polishing a rough diamond to make it shine brighter. Then comes the implementation phase. Here, algorithms such as convolutional neural networks, CNNs, are used for image or video processing tasks. It's like giving the AI model a set of eyes to see and understand the world. With the model trained and fine-tuned, it's time to generate video content. Techniques like generative adversarial networks, GANs, are used for this purpose. It's like the AI model is dreaming and creating its own unique world. After the video content is generated, it's time for rendering. This is when the final output from the generated video content is created. It's like printing out a beautiful painting from the AI model's imagination. Once the AI video is rendered, it's time to review and refine the output for better quality. This refinement phase involves tweaking and adjusting the video to make it as perfect as possible. Now, don't forget the evaluation. Regularly assessing the performance and quality of the generated videos is essential. It's like a teacher grading a student's work, ensuring it meets the desired standards. And just like in any creative process, iteration is key. The process of creating AI videos is repeated and improved over time, leading to better and more impressive results. Finally, throughout this entire process, ethical considerations must be kept in mind. Ensuring ethical practices, such as data privacy and bias mitigation, is crucial in the world of AI. And there you have it. The journey from a concept to a fully realized AI video. It's a blend of creativity, technology, and constant learning. It's the art and science of creating AI videos.